Hey guys, welcome class 11th student. Today we are going to start the first chapter of chemistry. The name of chapter is Some Basic Concept. Let's start the chapter Some Basic Concept. To study this chapter we have to learn some general key concept. What is matter? Anything that occupies space called matter. All substances contain matter which can exist in three states: solid, liquid or gas. A solid has definite shape and definite volume. A liquid has definite volume but no definite shape. A gas neither has definite volume nor definite shape. These three forms of matter are interconvertible by changing the condition of temperature and pressure. Solid on heating become liquid, liquid on heating become gas, whereas gas on cool become liquid and liquid on cooling become solid. Matter can also be classified into element, compound and mixture. So understand this. Let's follow the following flow chart. Matter: everything that has mass and occupies space called matter. Physical classification: solid, liquid, gas, and chemical classification: pure substance and mixture. Pure substance: fixed composition, cannot be separated into simpler substance by physical method. Properties do not vary, for example copper, silver, gold. Mixture: variable composition, component retain their characteristics. Properties may be separated into pure components by physical method. Mixture of different compositions may have widely different properties. Now further, pure substance classified into two categories: element or compound, and mixture also classified into two categories: homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture. Let's have a look. Element can neither be created or decomposed into it means element neither be decomposed into nor built from simpler substance by ordinary physical chemical method. Compound can be decomposed into simpler substance by chemical change or obtained by union of two or more proportion by weight. Compound may be organic compound or inorganic compound. Let's have a look of mixture. Mixture definition we have already learned. Variable composition, composition retain their characteristics. Property may be separated into component by physical method. Mixture of different composition may have widely different properties. Homogeneous mixture have the same composition throughout. Composition are indistinguishable, for example air, seawater. And heterogeneous mixture have different composition, component are indistinguishable, for example mixture of iron filling, common salt and sulfur. This is called heterogeneous mixture. So guys, after knowing these basic points about the matter, let's be moved to know some more interesting fact about the matter.